Hello. There's no need for me to make Excel tutorials because everything is right here. This site called Excelisfun, all one word, has 3,300 or more videos. The guy is fantastic. I think he's a college professor someplace. He goes through Excel and teaches people. They have classes someplace. So anyway, just fantastic. I would first just go ahead and listen to his first little spiel here, is an introduction, and then go to this Excel Basics course. All this is free. Everything he does is free. It's fantastic. So yes, I would listen to this. It's only 2 minutes long, and then go to this video here. It's the Excel Basics 1, and it's the introduction. It goes through some things. It tells you some things that you wouldn't think, well, I already know how to do things, but it teaches you some basic navigation tips and different things that you don't know. So it's worth it, even though it's an hour, 2 minutes long, that's fine. And then you have, all everything else in that basic series. I think if you get through a couple of these, you'll realize how valuable this is and how it works. So when you click on one of his tutorials or these courses, you get you get the video, and you see, just for to note, Max, Sue, um, Abdi it's a spreadsheet he's working with. So what he does is he has it so that you can download the actual Excel document, uh, so that you can see the formulas and manipulate everything as you want to. Also, there is a PDF file. This is this link takes you to a PDF file, and it looks like this. It's just as if you're reading a book on how to, uh, you know, Excel for Dummies, and you see he's going over different things, and he's trying to cover in the class. Max, Sue, Abdi, the same spreadsheet. He's covering that, and now back to the this is the Excel document. You can see this is Excel, and you can go in here and click around and see what things are going. Here's a formula he's using, and you could modify it if you want to see how to test things out. Very valuable way to learn. Then what I made over time was I took a lot of his different courses, and I thought, I'm going to consolidate this for a cheat sheet for myself. And there's various commands, shortcut commands for different things he goes over, that I made that tab, that worksheet. This one here is for text. So if you want to do either trim the text to like see the beginning space, it trims it off. Basically, all these different things you can do with text, and so that is very handy. Dates, same way with this. You can see there. You can go to it like a cell. There's this Thursday, and this is off. I put off to the right the actual formula that um, that you're using. Now, what I did was to get that, just a technique too. If I select that cell there and hit paste, it's going to come as Thursday. But if I add a space before that equal sign and then hit done, instead of doing the formula, it calculates that thing. It's a very handy trip. So that's what I did with each of these different things um, over here. Now here was another one that's just was really handy. This is a basically just a chart with weekends highlighted, and the formula conditional formatting is set up so that you can drag that formula set up, and it figures out the weekends for each of this, and Monday, Tuesday, and the days of the week. So a lot of these different things are extremely handy. Some of them you won't ever use. Um, this collection here is just things I thought worth keeping. just go through that introduction course that he's got there, that hour-long one, and I think you'll be sold. Have a good day.